So ito yung continuation ng ating topic about estimate. Under excavation pa rin ito. So last time na-compute na natin tong F2. So yung length and width ng hukay natin is 2.2 by 2. So sama natin itong depth. So ang depth natin is 1.6 meter. And yung kung ilang set, so na-compute natin na 8 sets ito. 8 sets, okay. Check natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 nga. Then F1 also. So kailangan natin din itong computing. So sa F1, so maglagay lang tayo dito ng 0.3. Let's say this is 0.3. 0.3 din to. And then is 0.5 para sa pump. Okay, so this is 1 point. Check nga natin kung ano yung isa. So sa F1, we have 1.5 by 1.4. Okay. So this is 1.4. This is 1.5 meter. Itong side na to. Okay, so 1.5 plus 0.3 plus 0.5, that is equal to 2.3. Okay. So yung length natin dito, so we have length na 2.3. Tama. 2.3 meter. Yung width naman is 1.4 plus 0.3, that is equal to 1.7 meter. Okay. So in depth, parehas din naman doon. That is equal to 1.6. So meron tayong dalawang F1. Ito and this one. So 1, 2. So sa F3 naman, so this is 1.2 by 1.2. Okay. So dito, nagkaroon na dito natin ilagay yung pump na 0.5, and then this one nagkaroon tayo na space dito na 0.3 din dito. Okay, so diskarte nyo kung saan nyo ilalagay yung mga spacing nyo, so make sure na masusunod sa actual. Okay, so length naman nito, that is equal to 1.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.3, that is equal to 1.8. Okay. And then yung width, that is equal to 1.2 plus 0.5, that is equal to 1.7 meter. Yung depth nito, 1.6 meter din. Okay, next, F4. So sa F4, we have also 1.2 by 1.10 to. 2 meter by 1.2 meter. So yung space dito is 0. Check natin dito. So yung space dito ay 0.3. Dito is 0.5 para sa pump. This one is 0.3 para sa forms kabilaan. So yung length natin dapat dito ay ito natin lagay. So 1.2 plus 0.3, that is equal to 1.5 plus 0.5, 2 meters. Yung width naman natin, so 1.2 plus 0.3 plus 0.3, that is equal to 1.8 meter. So yung depth, 1.6. Okay, so nakompleto na natin lahat. So ang gagawin na lang natin, mag-compute na tayo ng volume. Okay, so by the way, itong stair foundation pala, so sama na rin natin. Okay. So volume F1. So F1 at 2 sets. So we have volume F1, length times width times depth times 2. So yung length natin 2.3 by yung width 1.7. So 2.3 times 1.7 times yung depth, 1.6 times 2. Okay? So 2.3 times 1.7 times 1.6 times 2. That is equal to 12.5. So halos doble kung di natin consider yung mga dapat nating i-consider. Okay? So 12.512. 0.512 cubic meter. Okay? Next, F2. F2 at 8 sets. Okay? So volume F2 length times width times depth times 8. Okay? So yung length nun, check natin dito. Ayan. So makita nyo dito, yung length niya ay 2.2 by 2 meters. Okay? Balik tayo doon. So 2.2 by 2 by 1.6 by 8. Okay? So we have 2.2 times 2 times 1.6 times 8. 56.32. 56.32 cubic meter. Okay? Next, F3. So sa F3, at one piece or one set, we have volume F3. Check natin yung dimension ng F3. So we have 1.8 by 1.7. So 1.8 by 1.7 by 1.6 yung lalim ng hukay times 1. So volume F3 1.8 times 1.7 times 1.6 times 1. So that is equal to 4.896. 96 cubic meter. Okay. Next. Itong F4. Okay. So F4 at one set also. So volume F4 that is equal to, so double check ulit. This is 2 by 1.8. Okay. So 2 times 1.8 times 1.6 times 1. Okay. So calculator. 2 times 1.8 times 1.6 times 1. 5.76. 5.76 cubic meter. So, ayan. That is 5.76 cubic meter. Next, sama na natin itong stair foundation natin. So, meron ditong detail para sa stair foundation na 800 by 1.6. Okay, so dito hindi na natin kailangan maglagay ng space para sa pump kasi 1 meter lang naman yung hukay. Ito, makita niyo dito. So, kaya-kaya nyo nang manumanuhin yan in case man na magkaroon ng tubig. Okay. So, ganito yan. So, gagawin ang hukay natin ito. Hukay tayo dito. Ayan. So, ito yung magiging hukay natin. Ayan. So, magkaroon tayong space kabilaan. So, this is 0.8 So, 0.3 plus 0.3. So, pwede ng 0.25 sa ganitong depth pag 1 meter. So, add na lang tayo ng 0.5 para 0.25 kabilaan. Okay? So, yan. So, 0.8 plus 0.5, that is equal to 1.3 meter. 1.6 plus 0.5 para dito sa haba na to, this is 1.3 meter. And then this is 0.1 meter. So, meron na tayong length and width agad ng hukay. Okay? So, for stair foundation at one set, so volume that's equal to length times width times yung depth times one set. So, yung depth na niya ay mag-add na lang tayo ng 0.1 para sa gravel bed. Okay? So, yung length natin that is equal to 2.1 meter by yung width niya is 1.3 times yung depth 1.1. Okay, tama. 1.1 times 1. So, calculate. Let's compute. So, we have 2.1 times 1.3 times 1.1 times 1. We have 3.003. 003. Okay. So, let's add. So, we have volume ng F1, footing 1 na 12.512 cubic meter. Plus natin yung volume F2 na 56.32 cubic meter. Volume F3 na 4.896 cubic meter. Volume F4 na 5.76 cubic meter. And yung volume ng stair foundation natin is 3.003 cubic meter. So, we have total volume that is equal to, calculator, so 12.512 plus 56.32 plus 4.896 plus 5.76 plus 3.003. Okay. So, that is equal to 82.491 cubic meter. Okay. So, 82.491 cubic meter. So, that is the total volume of soil to be excavated. Okay. So, let's double check. Baka magkamali. Okay. So, 12.512, 56.32, 4896, 576, okay. So, tama. Okay. So, ganun lang kasimple mag-compute ng volume of soil to be excavated. At alam niyo na rin kung paano i-treat yung ganong na hindi dapat natin basta-basta i-compute kung ano yung nandun sa schedule ng footing. So, consider din natin yung mga pwede mangyari sa actual na construction site. Okay? So, at least ito, hindi siya ganong kalayo. Kung mas marami man, syempre, hindi natin maiwasan na magkaroon ng discrepancy. So, hindi ganong kalayo. Hindi ganong karami yung volume na mamimiss natin. O, sa estimate kasi, plus or minus lang yan. Basta malapit lang siya. Hindi ganong karami volume na yung tipong halos doble na yung difference. Okay? So, ang next topic naman natin is volume of soil to be excavated para sa footing tie beam. Okay?